Okay. Mic check, guys. All good. I'm pretty sure everything is good. Today we are here. Okay. Mic check, guys. All good. I'm pretty sure everything is good. It's fine. There's some things, but I wanted to start my thingy. Okay. Mic check, guys. All good. I'm pretty sure everything is good. It's fine. There's some things, but I wanted to start my thingy. Okay. Mic check, guys. Okay. So here's the thing. We'll be trading live every morning. Okay, every morning 7 a.m. to uh, 10 a.m. We'll try that. Sometimes we can go 10:30 a.m. as well. So 9:30 a.m. market opens, right? And then in lunchtime we won't be trading, not a single one. I mean, if I'm not live, I'm not trading. That's it. Simple as that. And the other thing is, I'll be coming in EOD end of the day to trade again. That would be, wait, what time would that be? From 2 to 4, yeah. 2 to 4 a.m. The last 2 hours of market close, right? And after hours, I would be trading like very some days, not like much of the days. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, that this is what we are doing. Okay. Okay. I have got my all the shit things here, and you can see I on minus on my account. That's my evaluation account. Yes, I am doing uh, the evaluation account. So right, obviously no one is watching this videos, and I don't care about it. Just the thing is, sometimes I won't be speaking, sometimes I'm just thinking. But my main goal with these live videos is not to teach anyone what am I doing, or not to teach anything in general, but to being disciplined myself. Like, I am watching charts in here, right? I mean, these are from yesterday, so nothing's here, no volume shit. I still have to do everything. I am here 10-15 minutes early today. That's because I have to show you guys all of these things. Okay, so I have my time and sales here. I have my order book, chart, watch list, and all this shit, right? I have one more screen beside me. If I can show you, maybe not. I have one more screen beside me, the charts, and I have two screens underneath me, like underneath this screen, and here down here, which is showing my Discord channel, from where I will be taking inspiration on what am I trading and all this shit, right? Yes, I'm not a profitable trader myself yet. I take trades of these analysts, and then I am doing pretty good. I don't complain, but though the thing is, I know what I need to trade sometimes. All the thing I have been missing out is I gotta be disciplined, right? I gotta be very much disciplined with it, that I'm seeing this on the chart, and I gotta be careful with not trading this, or need to trade this. Like, this looks good, the downtrend is breaking, right? And then support holding, what got the volume rotation things. There's so many things we gotta figure out in a trade. And I have been trying since few months, that I have started to figure out that this thing's gonna work, this thing's not going to work, and all these kind of tickers would fit in the category that I want to trade, and all those things. I know all those things now. The thing is, I don't have the discipline to follow my own rules and to do what I say I will do, right? So here we go. All these all these videos are for that, and guess Oilers are winning. Hey, okay. So I don't need this channel. Maybe I need it sometimes. Hey, okay. I mean, I can say that no, I don't want to say what kind of Discord I am on, and uh, what kind of prop firm is giving stock traders, right? But I mean, you would be able to see the logos and everything, and I'm not sure if any issues would be there, but it's fine. I will show you guys. I mean, it's the trade the pool, and even if you see my numbers, it I don't care, because you won't be able to do anything with it. My most of the accounts are disabled, and you can see that I have, these are all evaluation accounts, right? Some of those are swing, some of those are day trade accounts, and I have wiped out a bunch of them. I've wiped out a bunch of them. So I took a break of about 1.5 month, just like last month, right? So now I'm coming back to it, and this is how I'm going with it, right? Because I have been losing. I think I started trading before uh, before 18 months, and I'm still not profitable. uh, I still make mistakes. I keep on just doing losses and go sometimes in FOMO. Sometimes I have made money if the market is good, market is hard. I have made money, and then I gotta keep the money, right? Which I don't do that, and I just go in FOMO sometimes. I just uh, sometimes I take over trades. So in FOMO over trading, sometimes I take passive trades, like I just don't think and put my money in. I can't do that. I'm putting my money in, right? So that's something I gotta be very careful with it now. So now what I'll be doing is, uh, I'm always looking at the charts, but I'll be speaking what I'm thinking about that thing, right? Maybe sometimes I have to look at the daily levels if something is going on. I might be also listening to some of the live streams while I'm doing my live stream, funny enough. But yeah, so sometimes if I'm quiet, just figure it out that I'm listening to something, and maybe if I'm listening to something, I will have to stop the stream because it might go into the stream, right? I'm not sure. Oh no, I can listen to the in the different device. Then we would be fine, yeah. Otherwise, I'm like, I would be listening to here on the Discord, but no. So I want to be very careful. I don't want to go so fast, and I don't want to, you know, take passive trades. I'll be very patient, be waiting for these trades since this week, it's Thursday today. This week has been most of it like Chinese movers, and we have got really nice Chinese movers this week. Market has been hard, and after all those news about like Trump's tariffs won't be applied, and the White House have declined everything. That was like last week Wednesday, and their market has been good. And if you see it, this T-shirt says, "I gotta break it down," right? So I gotta break it down, bro. Whatever I'm trading, whatever I'm thinking, I just gotta break it down, and that's how we go with it. We'll be very careful with it, no matter how many things are popping up. I don't care about the FOMO, because always I my favorite analyst would usually say this: I would rather be wrong and not make money than to be right and lose money. I mean, yeah, something around there. But I don't want to lose money. That's it. If I'm wrong and I don't make money, I'm completely fine. Uh, Something like RYVL going somewhere around RYVL. Oh, you can't see my screen. Just a second. There we go. Okay, nice. Holding VWAP. 5 minute looks pretty clean. I think yesterday I was just figuring out that the on the 5 minute sometimes 21 EMA holds and sometimes 50 EMA holds, right? So I just want to be careful. Wait, I'm not sure what color it is on the here. On the 55 EM, okay. 55 EM is the blue one, 21 is the, I don't know what's this color, but yeah, let's go. Hmm, okay. I was, yesterday morning, I was doing so many things into like reviewing my old trades, right? So here we go. These were the things that I figured on my 5 minute chart. Some of the things I have been holding it nice, right? So I just figured, no, it was STSS, I guess. Yeah, see, there we go. 5 minute bounce, 5 minute, these are 50 EMA. So ignore the cyan line, see the dark blue line. Okay, that's my 55 EMA. And I was looking at it, like pre-market, it made a really nice move from low fours uh, to low seven, it's low eights, which is a pretty nice move on in the morning pre-market around 7 a.m. Yeah, and then every time it comes back, it bounces off from 50 EMA, 5 minute chart, 50 EMA. See here, and then the next here, and then when it came down, it was holding this downtrend, and downtrend breakout was not strong enough because it never broke this level, to be honest. It never broke $7, which we wanted it in here if we wanted a bigger move, but it just never did because there was so many other things in CLRB. There was so much volume trapped, okay, and there was a KWM really nice in the morning, which was doing pretty good. Usually, I have seen that 5 minute 21 EMA holds, but even sometimes 55 EMA would hold. And I also would like to keep 200 EMA because usually that shit is really nice. I mean, obviously, I use 200 EMA very nicely in 1 minute chart because that's what it has been doing it clean. If we see in here, I'm not sure about STSS, but usually the 200 EMA bounces are very nice. Oh, it happened yesterday in KWE. Crazy. Yeah, like crazy. I'll show you. Just give me a second. Yeah, so if we see here some nice 200 EMA bounces from 1 minute. I'm not looking at anything right now. I don't know. It's already 7 a.m. But I just being chill. Oh yeah, KWM. Here we go. In the morning, see, in the morning it made really nice move from twos to fives, which was pretty impressive. Holding VWAP once it broke down the VWAP. I mean, it tried to come up and then it tried to broke out from that resistance level 520, but it didn't do that. Went down and see that. Do you see that? Very clean, nice bounce off of there, and from there, wait, this thing, crazy move. Do you see that bullish engulfing candle as soon as it touched 1 minute 200 EMA, and then we are going boom. We made a new high, literally. It didn't hold. It could have gone like 7 8s, but it didn't hold, and it just came down, knifed out from here, and I was out around here. But I was holding it literally from this level for 15, and my analyst mentioned it like break of 515 520, because that was a strong support, strong resistance level, right? And yeah, yeah. But I mean, this breakout could have been trickier, and it would be like way too fast. So I entered here with a tight, with not a tight stop loss, but yeah, this is kind of a tight stop loss after this move. Yes. So I entered around 410s, fours, with stops under 370, which was pretty nice move. I captured this one, the whole thing, in the morning. But the issue was, it was a good move. I captured it yesterday, and then in the middle of the day, this shit, MULN, bro, out of nowhere. In the lunchtime, this shit made a move from low 17s, no, low 14s, breakout of VWAP, holding this 17 level here. I was analyzing all these things, so I know that it was a resist. It broke out, but knifed again. Resistance, and then when it broke out, it was a strong support. This was a really good entry. One of my friend in my Discord, he bought the shit from 17s to 25. He got his biggest win of the month, and maybe a week biggest win of the week. I'm not sure, but this was a really nice move, and I was not even looking at MULN because this ticker is shit. The only thing good is today it has good volume, no news, and really nice chart. So analysis and volume is the big thing that I learned that volume and the chart analysis is the big thing that we want in our in our trades, in our tickers. And sometimes even if the ticker is like shit, just we gotta ignore it sometimes, only sometimes, because MULN has done like thousands of mm, reverse plates and shitty things, right? So right now it's at 12 $13, nothing much. But I don't know if this is going to come again or not today. I will just look at CLIM and trying to move. Got some volume. No, not much. It has 13 million of float, but not much volume. It's not gonna stay up. We have strong resistance in here. I don't think I'm trading this thing, because I would usually prefer the stocks under 10 million of float. And RVYL, it's something going. A few days ago, this shit went really nice, bro. If I'm not wrong. There we go. This was on second, the very first day of market open. That was the Monday, very first day of the month. That was Monday. Really nice bounce off of 1 minute 22 EMA, 21 EMA. What the hell? And do you see that it went to 230s from $1? So after it hold $1, yes. So right now it's at 70 cents, and then it's going up slowly. Let's see if it's holding VWAP or what it's holding. Yes, it's holding really nice VWAP on that three green candles, and on the 5 minute I have seen one red candle. I guess that could be a pullback, but we need a 1 minute VWAP bounce on that, just like this one, just like this one. Boom. But let's see if we can or not, because oh, and one more thing in my evaluation account is I need at least 10 cents on my trade, and I need to wait for 60 seconds from open to close this trade, right? So my favorite analyst, he's not here right now. We are not trading anything, uh, but I gotta go into one of the live talks, and I'll be listening to them as well as I'll be maybe speaking in here, so I can figure out what these guys are speaking, right? What these guys are talking about. I will have to change the shit into my watch list as well, because if something doesn't have volume, I'm not holding it in my. I mean, if it pops up, I might look at it later. See, I told you it's not gonna hold 27 to 23s. Yeah, yeah, literally. LIMN, I need RVY, VYL. Oh, it's coming down as well, but it's holding VWAP. See that nice bounce. I need to see level 2 for now. Nice bounce off of here. 20 seconds to close this candle. I I have no indicators in here, to be honest, and I'm fine with that. I guess 6380s. There we go. This is our VWAP. At least for now, we can figure it out, right? I'm not trading anything right now, even if this looks good, because it has not much volume, to be honest. See, 6 million float and 2 million of volume. I mean, it's not bad though. It has made that move from 45s to 80s, which is pretty nice, not gonna lie. But this shit made like really nice 90% move. But oh yeah, my god, it's tough to like listen to from this ear and speak something else on the. Just a second. I have not spoken so many things in a while, so I will be quiet sometimes as well. And I have to be like sitting here for 3 minutes doing the live trade, right? So this is not working. Be back in a minute. Do you see that? Do you see that? It's bouncing off of VWAP. It is nice. I mean, if I tell you it's just 7:12 a.m., but if I see this strong enough, it has volume. After 1 hour, this could be at $1 easily. Easy. It has done that RV while it is a previous runner, and if it gets momentum, it's a really nice Momo runner. I mean, to be honest, even my Nuncio bots, I don't know how to pronounce that, but bots, even they are not working. They are not, giving me anything much of the tickers, so I'm not looking at so many things. I need to see if everything is going good in here. Nuntio bots, even they are not working. They are not, giving me anything much of the tickers, so I'm not looking at so many things. I need to see if everything is going good in here. Nuntio bots, even they are not working. They are not, giving me anything much of the tickers, so I'm not looking at so many things. I need to see if everything is going good in here. Nuntio bots, even they are not working. They are not, giving me anything much of the tickers, so I'm not looking at so many things. I need to see if everything is going good in here. Nuntio bots, even they are not working. They are not, just figuring out if this gonna work or not. Much of the tickers, so I'm not looking at so many things. Hmm. Even on 5 minute RPY, it looks really nice. Just the thing is, it doesn't have volume, bro. Nothing much in here, bro, to be honest. Yeah, it's just suspicious, bro. See, that's just volume, kind of. Could play VWAP break, but it doesn't have volume. No, no, I'm not gonna play this shit. I gotta play the things that has volume, that has nice structure. Maybe it's bouncing off of VWAPs 200 EMA, 21 EMA, I don't know, whatever. And then it has a nice structure. Maybe it's breaking out of downtrend, right? Or maybe it is breaking out of a flat top resistance. I don't know, but this is nice. Obviously it's a suspicious, it's a Chinese sticker. I saw that it's a under 10 million float and volume is not so good. That's what I don't want, like it. I mean, obviously you can look at the level 2 also. It just suspicious, bro. Just out of nowhere. I can play this. This will come back to if it comes back to 106, but I'm not gonna play this. It's a random China shit, bro. What the fuck, nice call. I mean, it's going. Nah, it was nice, but no, this is suspicious. Not for me. It was just nice. This shit is going really nice. No, to be honest, I could say now it got the volume. Bro, what the hell, bro? This guy on the live just spoke about it like one break, and then this shit is crazy. I mean, he didn't took it anyways because he gotta go for something. But hey, what is this shit? Oh, it's crazy. That's crazy, bro. No, this was really nice. Bro, I have an idea. Shut up. Bro, that was the sus. Bro, no, it was a nice move to be honest. But the thing is, it wasn't in my thing. It wasn't in my shit. AAIHS. Obviously, there has been Chinese movers that's been going, and we were break. Obviously, it was a breakout play, which I like it. I mean, I don't play all the breakout plays. I might take some the bottom ones, right, the bounce ones, but this was a nice one, but it didn't had so much enough volume, and then it was like suspicious. But what if it knives? What if it just knives? And if you can see, I don't even have so much money to spare. So all I'm trying to do is taking like A plus setups, right? If I know this shit is really nice, holding it up, it had got volume. Even my favorite analyst is trading that shit. That's a plus plus. And then we keep on looking everything and around because I gotta be careful. I gotta mm, be disciplined for myself. Now this shit, if I was telling you RV Wild, it didn't had news. It was holding VWAP, but it I mean sorry, um, what am I speaking? Yeah, it doesn't have news anyways. But what am I speaking is it didn't had volume, so it just not holding VWAP. And what? There's nothing. On this candle, I have 2,000, 36,000, 20,000 volume. No, that doesn't work. RVYL might bounce off from 50s. PHIO. Hmm. Bro, these guys took it and it just went off. What the hell, bro? That was fast. Oh, that's crazy. On daily 200 EMA, this is what we see. Dollar three, 275 is the high. If it breaks this shit, what are the other levels up there? It's that gap, bro. Huh. Okay, so it can kind of go to force. Yeah, 394 is a strong resistance there. I mean, let's reach here and then we'll see. Hmm, there we go. Sometimes I like to see 15-second chart. I don't know why. It just because it has three candles, two candles, just upper wicks, nothing much there. So look for 50, 55s. Though it the low is the 54, 70. Okay. It's bouncing off of from here, but I don't trust the share. This shit not breaking out, bro. And maybe there we go. No, not much volume here. But it still has a chance, bro. And if it breaks out from here, like it got the volume, there's not many sellers. Why is it 275 rejecting? Yeah, obviously, if this shit breaks out and goes over three, and then there's room to four. Obviously, it's crazy right now. Got nice volume, and the thing is, nothing much in pre-market. AIHS went up, down. See that? This is the such thing that I don't like. And gone, maybe. Yeah, see? AIHS back to under one. That's what I'm saying about S60P, PW. Like, I don't know what are these shit also. There's gotta be some nice thing. And the only nice thing looking right now, not MCDI, because that's like Chinese mover. It's been going on since few days, which I like it. Obviously, it made a crazy move, and even I took this one. Uh, did I took this one? Yes, I did. Oh fuck. Oh yeah, yeah, hell yeah. I took it on that day from after our open to here. It was really nice. Crazy. I'm looking at 5 minute chart, but here we go. MCD app. So the thing is, it's still holding up. It's not going down. If I look at that daily, obviously it was a big ass red candle on daily chart. But hey, this has been still holding. It kind of pops maybe $5 sometimes and kind of things. Yeah, it's just done. The shit is out of my way. PHIO bro 275. It literally rejected three candles double top. This red candle and this green candle could be say it's a non-consecutive double top, but hey, 5 minute looks shitty. No, I don't like this guy. The only thing I like is RVYL, but I need a bigger dip to maybe 47 because that's the 200 EMA, and on 5 minute 50s is the 20. What is this? Yeah, 21 EMA. What else is going on, bro? Anything here? This is sorry. There's nothing much today pre-market. I mean, yesterday pre-market was like really not much of a thing because yeah, yesterday's pre-markets I was telling like yesterday's pre-market is not even much of a thing because shut up. And the if something is running out, there might be so much of the volume in these tiny stickers and new pops and cells, and just volume rotation keeps on going from here and there, which I don't like because I gotta be fast and I have to change into different softwares, one to chart, one to see, and I have different screens as well on my other PC, and so I mean, obviously, I'm not doing analysis paralysis. I'm trying to figure out what am I trading and what I need to do to take informed decisions, right? So I might show you my vision board sometimes. I have my Porsche behind me, and how I trade and all that shit. Maybe if you can watch some of my previous videos as well. I think like very first few videos on this channel would be around this, like, but that's the old one. I would change my layout of the room and completely. Now I'm trading different shit. It's been 42 minutes, but I think I will continue the whole stream right now. I mean, I will wait. See, it's already 7:30, so I will wait, I guess. Mm, yeah. See, RVYL coming back up from 55s. No, I was right. Oh, wait. Did I miss that shit? Nah, no, I was right. 55s, right? There we go. 53, 55s. That's a nice bounce off. And then, well, taking 60 and 55 is 5 cents loss. Hmm. It's not bad even now. I could hold this for longer because I need at least 10 cent, and 62 to 72 just won't give me anything. But that's what I'm telling, like I need volume for this shit to go, and if it doesn't go I can take profits less than 10 cents, and then I will just take the loss, which I don't want to. So I won't go big even if I do, because I'm waiting for VWAP break on right now this shit. To be honest, not much volume, but I think if it breaks the VWAP, it will give some volume. TGL. I'm like, why the 7 a.m. didn't give me so many news? I mean, I was speaking it on the live stream, not even watching the charts, but there was no news. I just saw it on 7 a.m. Almost nothing, bro. So yeah, we are looking at PHIO, STSS. You just keep on, I color mark this shit if I like it. There we go. Oh, wait, why did I do green on the PHIO? Sorry, I'm looking at RVYL. No, VWAP rejection. See that? Now, if I would have entered at 60s, 61, it went to 63s, and now it's coming down. What if we know this won't knife because it doesn't even have volume to go short as well. But this can go slowly down and down. I'll be holding it here. Okay, light 55. Let's wait for it to go maybe 51s, and then I see, oh, it's bouncing off from here, then I keep on holding, which I don't want to. So I will either buy at the very tight stop loss, with very tight stop loss and near solid support line, right, which is not 55, it's 50 for now. Why that? uh, Maybe because 5 minute. No, it is here, it is here. It's not the 50s. Okay. But see, if I see it has nice downtrend. So this was a downtrend breakout. No volume. Now if it holds this level, 1 minute 21 EMA, and this trend, it looks good. I won't still go in. Okay, okay. And the thing is, then to be honest, not much news here right now, not much volume. So I'll be ending this stream right now here. I'll go for my, like, I'll have milk and banana, my everyday breakfast, I think. And then I'll be back, I think, in 15 minutes or half an hour. Whenever I'm back, I'll be live trading, and I promise that I will only take trades when I'm live trading. So in the morning, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., sometimes goes 10:30, and after hours, 2 to 4 p.m. until market closes. Sometimes I will go after market close as well if I'm at home, one, and because after market close I have my part-time job as well. So if I'm at home, I will be here. No, I'm like, if I'm at home and only the like volume is there and something's popping up and really nice stickers going on, because after hours, yes, I like to watch it, but I don't like to trade it. And even in pre-market here, you would know that I don't need to speak that. We can only use the like limit orders, right? From here we can only use the limit orders, nothing else. So it's trickier to stop out if it knives, which I don't like it. And I have been into those so many knives. So let's end the shit here, and I'll see you in a while. I will only trade when I'm live, and I'll be analyzing all the shit I'm talking about. Okay, see you guys.